Hello and welcome to our channel, where we provide you with informative and helpful content on health and wellness. In today's video, we will be discussing how Moringa can boost your immune system. Immune system plays a vital role in keeping our body healthy and fighting off infections, and we will be exploring how Moringa can support and enhance it. Moringa, also known as the miracle tree, is a plant that is native to India and has been used for thousands of years for its numerous health benefits. Moringa is rich in essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help strengthen and support our immune system. One of the key benefits of Moringa is that it is a rich source of vitamin C, which is an essential nutrient that helps boost our immune system by stimulating the production of white blood cells. Vitamin C is also a potent antioxidant that helps protect our cells from damage caused by harmful free radicals. Another important nutrient found in Moringa is vitamin E, which plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy immune system. Vitamin E works by neutralizing free radicals, protecting our cells from oxidative damage, and supporting the function of our immune cells. Moringa is also rich in zinc, which is a mineral that plays a vital role in the development and function of immune cells. Zinc helps to activate the immune system and helps it fight off harmful pathogens. Moringa is also a rich source of beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant that converts into vitamin A in our body. Vitamin A is essential for the development and function of immune cells and helps protect our body from infections. Let's take a closer look at the nutritional content of Moringa. 1 cup of fresh, chopped Moringa leaves contains protein, 2 grams, vitamin B6, 19% of the RDA, vitamin C, 12% of the RDA, iron, 11% of the RDA, riboflavin, B2, 11% of the RDA, vitamin A, from beta-carotene, 9% of the RDA, magnesium, 8% of the RDA. As you can see, Moringa is packed with essential vitamins and minerals that are crucial for maintaining a healthy immune system. The high levels of vitamin C and beta-carotene in Moringa help to increase the production of white blood cells, which play a crucial role in fighting off infections. In conclusion, Moringa is a powerful superfood that can help boost your immune system and keep you healthy. With its high concentration of essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, Moringa can help support and enhance your immune system, making it more effective at fighting off harmful pathogens. So, next time you want to boost your immune system, consider incorporating Moringa into your diet. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope you found it informative and helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips.